Right, let's have a look at the Lightroom interface. Well, it's made up of 7 main areas. Up at the top here we have the top bar. Now this is in 2 sections. We've got the identity plate over here on the left, which we can customize, and we've got the module picker over here on the right. Over here on the left we've got a set of panels, and we can open and close them by clicking on this little triangle here. Click to close, click to open. On the right we've got another set of panels, and we can do exactly the same thing. We can open them and close them by clicking on that little triangle. Now in between these 2 sets of panels is the workspace. Now this is where the heavy lifting is done and our images are displayed. And we can have different views. We can look at the images as on a grid as they are at the moment, or we can look at them as what they call loop view, which is just one image on the screen. Now underneath the workspace is the toolbar, which, as the name suggests, we can find some helpful tools. Now tools can be added or taken away from this toolbar by clicking this little triangle at the end. And here anything that's not ticked isn't visible on the toolbar. Anything that is ticked is visible on the toolbar. So we can customize this for our own use. At the bottom is the film strip, which shows the images either from folders or collections and is available in all the modules. And speaking of modules, we've got 7 of them, which you can access by clicking on the module name up here in the top bar. So we've got the library, the develop, the map, the book, the slideshow, the print and the web module. Now there may be times when you want to concentrate on your images rather than the clutter of the interface. Now we've already seen that we can close down some of these panels by clicking the little triangles at the edges of the interface. But there are some keyboard shortcuts that you might find useful. Now if we press the F5 key, that will close down the top panel. Press F5 again to bring it back. The F6 key will close down the film strip, and again press it again to bring it back. The F7 key, well, that'll close down the left hand panel, and you've guessed it, the F8 key closes down the right hand panel. Now if you want to get rid of both the left and the right hand panels together, you can press the Tab key, and again Tab brings it back. If you want to get rid of everything but the module toolbar, then Shift Tab is what you want. And if you really want a clear interface and to get rid of that toolbar as well, you can press the T key. Now to bring it all back, press the T key again and then Shift Tab again, and then we're back to where we started. Okay, well I hope that's been helpful in getting you started using the Lightroom interface panels and modules.